Welcome to What to Do in Space. Today we'll focus on some fascinating books about the Apollo missions and the future of the space economy. And for that we're going to learn from the past, but also looking forward. The first one is called Across the Airless Winds, okay? And it's the chronicles of the Apollo flights and their impact in the overall space exploration. You will be provided with stories that are really of encouragement and the triumph of the final moon landings. In particular, we've got a ton of work regarding coordination and cooperation between different ground teams, and also I would say it's a wonderful place to look into if you are into the rover world or into understanding of how could you integrate to an extra payload. Next, we'll discuss one that has to do with a pretty big failure, the Space Shuttle Columbia mission, and essentially it's bringing Columbia home. Of course, we couldn't do it. These were 7 brave astronauts that lost their lives in the accident, but also all the details and the discussions and the mission legacy that continue to live on till today. Okay, till today there are massive investigations on fuel lines, and the last one to end up in, I would say, in a more interesting or in a more polite ways, the Smithsonian history of space exploration. It's a big book. It's beautiful pictures, extremely well written. It has just the opening, like just check on. We got the view from the Earth, and it's one of these things. So many of these have shaped the space world as we have it today. It doesn't account for, I would say, the disruptor. It's right over here, okay? One of the key disruptors that I'll focus on other sessions, but right now they'll give you enough, both from the airless winds, from bringing Columbia home, because we look into failures and how can they be challenging our next steps, and just looking at the beauty of space exploration and how can that make us work. Thanks for tuning in to How to Do Things in Space, and I shall see you tomorrow.